Hello guys, YouTube and wherever you're watching this, quick Twitter update here. Just again, see what people are saying, and also what I've been posting during the day. I think the big winner today is silver, and I just did a uranium update for the members, but also a commodities update, and especially that gold to silver ratio is so interesting where we are at the moment. Um, so check that one out. We will go in and see what the people are saying, including me, of course. Of course. Again, the commodities updates for subs there. And here we have an interesting chart that is, by the way, I want to try and make this video be 10 minutes long. Very quick, brief update every day, more or less. Um, Gold divided by Bitcoin, you can clearly see that Bitcoin has been the big winner for the past 10 years. I mean, who are we kidding, right? Bitcoin has done tremendously well. So which one will it be, commodities or tech? So you can see here clearly coming all the way down there, and you have the lower here. A break to the upside, gold, boom, is gonna do amazing things versus Bitcoin versus tech. Basically, Bitcoin is tech. Breaking down, and you have yet another leg in favor of tech. Uranium, excuse me, update for members. Again, you can check it out there. Bitcoin here. Bitcoin could flip that long-term green uptrend back, big, back to support over the next day or two. So it's yesterday it had a 10% range, I think $13,000. Getting back above the green support now, trying to flip it there. So we shall see. Yesterday was very, very, Monday was just all over the place. XRP. Yesterday's candle was a staggering 60% from top to bottom on Ripple. Look at that leverage, boom, and then just massive wig there. I'm still in the camp that hey, if we are to come down to like 3.2.3 here, it's still a buy on Ripple. But again, 30 down 70% in one day, and then basically buying it all the way back up. Insane. SMCI. After a major blow-off top for the super microcomputer, this stock has a long way down to its mean average. First up should be the golden support at around $13. So uptrend here. So any roughly around here, I think we ought to find support at some point in time. But again, we are still, again, if that doesn't hold, then you're talking $4. Will we get that? Maybe, maybe not. But still, we are definitely mean reversing right now, and I'm expecting, this $13, $15 tag to be made. Gold on a Renko, ever since, gold broke that 2,700 excuse me, 2,075, it has been a one-way street. Up, up, up. This is a Renko chart, by the way, so you don't have any time decay. So again, that's the break, and it's just straight up. Gold has done so well. Silver, when we broke that $30 level last week, we confirmed the move higher. By the way, the big start for the silver bull was when we broke 26 back in 2024. Next target is 38 plus for silver. Silver here, the short-term resistance, again, that's a big one, by the way. If you go back to 2011, that was also a big level, 32 here. That is what we're finding now. If we can break that, I think it's open skies to 38 for silver. SIL, by the way, this is again a Renko chart. Silver miners on a Renko chart shows clearly that the downtrend has not yet been broken. We need that. We need to get about $40 for that to happen. So again, 2011 highs, you can just see resistance, resistance, resistance. So we need to break that before things can, really be bullish for the silver miners. We're not there yet. One day we will be. One day we will be. Again, short term on silver, we have that head and shoulders pattern where the head is the retest of 31. Right shoulder breaking out again. We haven't reached the target yet from that little day old fractal, 2-3 days worth of price action. Gold divided by TLT. So the TLT is a tracker of the inverse of the 20-year rates. Gold has outperformed bonds by almost Oh, my typos are dead on today. 1,000% since the early 2000s. So gold has been their better play than bonds, really. Gold has done so well, up, yeah, 10 times more than bonds, than the valuation of bonds has done. It's just incredible. This was one of the most talked about stocks in 2016, 15. This was Fingerprint Cards. That was a Swedish stock that was, I think, the first company more or less to deliver, these fingerprint, devices or scanners for your iPhone to unlock your iPhone with a fingerprint. And the stock was up, I can't remember how much, from like zero point 0.2 here to like $50 in no time. Everyone was talking about it. And actually, it has basically gone to zero over that, 8 years time. That's amazing in my opinion. My take on MKO, the silver and gold stock could explode any second here. We are positioned. It's long term. If you're talking very long term, it is one of the best setups that there is. It's just lovely. What else could we do here? There were some retweets again. This is a good one, by the way. Uranium prices going back 50 years. I needed, to find the data myself, plug it in and all that. So according to the long-term data, the peak of the uranium spot price has been suggested to be, uh, the peak has been suggested to be, $300 to $400 per pound. So the peak there, you can see it. This is the yearly closest, by the way. So again, the uptrend and all that could be a little bit different, but it is still the same pattern. 300-400 bucks here, in a few years' time for uranium. It's not out of the questions, really. Lithium, again, if we are to break here in 2025 of that blue bull flag, I will be ready to get into the lithium sector again. I think that's going to be a great opportunity. Quakes here again, uranium spot price all of a sudden yesterday, 76 is the ask now. That would be nice to have that little, purchase coming in. That's it, guys. I will not do any further. I think 10 minutes has been passed already. So have an amazing day, guys. Again, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And have an amazing day, guys. Cheers. Bye.